Easy at Home Cotinine Panel Dip Test is a home-use nicotine test that detects nicotine or its related chemical in the urine. Cotinine tests can be used for many reasons. They are often used in drug testing programs to assess whether an individual has recently used nicotine products, such as to test teens if they have smoked, to apply for health insurance, or for smoking cessation. Cotinine is a chemical compound that is produced when nicotine is broken down in the body. It is a metabolite after consuming tobacco products like cigarettes, cigars, pipes, and chewing tobacco. Cotinine is used as a marker to indicate tobacco use because it has a longer half-life in the body than nicotine does. The test cutoff level is 200 nanograms per milliliter. The minimum detection time is 1 to 8 hours after consumption of nicotine and 1 to 7 days maximum for heavy users. Testing is simple and quick with only 3 easy steps. Open the sealed pouch and remove the cap from the test strip. Dip the absorbent end of the strip in the urine sample for 10 seconds. Be sure you do not pass the mark line indicated by the black line. Place the cap back on and lay the strip flat on a clean, dry, non-absorbent surface. Read the results at 5 minutes. To read your result, be sure the control line is present to ensure your test is working properly. No control line indicates an invalid test. Our team is dedicated to providing exceptional service and support to all of our customers. We prioritize customer satisfaction and work tirelessly to resolve each issue quickly and efficiently.